When life feels overwhelming, have you discovered nature's perfect remedy? After a chaotic day, there's something magical about Soursop Leaf Tea that instantly calms your mind. These ancient leaves aren't just delicious with their smooth, earthy flavor. They're packed with powerful antioxidants that support your body's natural balance. While you're sipping, they're quietly working to ease digestion, promote relaxation, and help your body combat the effects of daily stress. It's like a gentle reset button in every cup. So next time everything feels too heavy, remember that healing doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it begins with simply brewing these remarkable leaves and taking that first soothing sip.